Hey everyone, today we're going to be unboxing the Leatherman Squirt PS4, a keychain multi-tool. Before we unbox it, let's take a look at the box itself as usual. So this is the box from the front, this is the side, it's in French, bottom, the other side, and finally the top right here. So I got the black model, made in USA. How cool is that? Okay, so let's unbox it and let's see what's inside. Okay, so inside we have the multi-tool itself and the manual, so nothing else. So I'll put the box away. Let's look at the manual first. So this is a big user guide, so I'm just gonna, I guess, read it by myself later on, and just gives you a general overview of what the keychain tool can do. So that's it. Let me put this away and let's take a look at the Leatherman Squirt PS4 multi-tool. So here it is, Leatherman Squirt PS4, a nice feeling, nice looking multi-tool. I think it's got quite a weight to it. Like, it's not very heavy, but you definitely feel it. It let me just say it like this, it weighs like it's quality. Okay, so looks good. This thing right here moves, so you can adjust it to the way you want. There's a Leatherman logo at the bottom right here, and it's here as well. So let me actually open it up and let's see. Okay, so I got the PS4 model with the pliers. It looks good. It's got Leatherman logo, not logo, but text on it. So yeah, it looks very cool. Let me actually show you all the other tools that PS4 has. Let's start with the main attraction, which is the blade. This is what it looks like. It's actually, let me see, wow, it's actually quite sharp. So I don't know exactly what steel this is. I wouldn't exactly be an expert on steel, but definitely feels very, very sharp. So this is a blade. Next we got, this is a file, I think. Yep, there you go. This is what it looks like. Also feels like it's good quality, feels sturdy. Next, I think we are done on this side. Let's take a look at this. What's that? Oh, scissors. Let's see. So here are the scissors. They also feel very good. Feels like it's got a nice, you can tell when they are very tight and very sharp. So I think they would cut very nicely. Okay, next we have this tool right here, which I assume is a screwdriver, maybe a pick as well. This one, oh sorry, I already showed you this. Those are the scissors, and this one, which is a bottle opener, and another screwdriver, a flathead. Okay, so I think that's pretty much it when it comes to this tool. And finally, of course, let me show you again the pliers. So this is what it looks like. I think a cool looking tool. So I got this to replace my Gerber dime, which I'm gonna compare this to in a moment. Okay, so this is my old Gerber dime. This is 6 years old now, and as you can see, it's broken. So the pliers broke on this. It doesn't work anymore. This mechanism here broke. I tried to fix it once, but no, it's just, at this point it's too old and it's broken. So it served me quite well. I like this tool. It's got very, very similar amount of tools compared to Leatherman, and let me actually show them to you side by side. So Leatherman PS4 and Gerber dime. I actually like this one more. It looks nicer and neater. I like when they're folded, I prefer this design. This bottle opener right here is of course much better than what this has, but I never liked this on my keychain. It always looked awkward and I always felt like this may get caught on something. So the blade on this, it's got this like oval shape, which I liked. It never felt like it was as sharp as this one feels, but I liked its shape overall. Actually, the blade is what sold me Gerber dime in the first place. But compared to Squirt, like now that I have this one, this is the first one I ever had. When you open up any tools, they feel more tactile. Like there are steps here. There's a step here, and a step here, a step here, and finally when it folds. So this actually feels more high quality than the Gerber dime. Yeah, I think it's gonna serve me well. The scissors on this were also good, but I think the scissors on PS4 are better. What Gerber dime had was this bottle opener, which I didn't use much, and it had let me show you this, which is a letter opener, which I don't think I ever used this, like maybe a couple of times, but I just used the main blade. This also has this tweezers, small tweezers, which I also never used. So overall, I don't think I'm missing out on any tools, and I think that Leatherman is more expensive than Gerber dime, but I'm already liking this more. I also like that this moves, so, and the design itself looks very, very nice, I think. So I think it's gonna be a very nice multi-tool to use. We'll see. The pliers on this, I never abused them, but they just, like, I actually don't remember how they broke, but obviously I never tried to use this on something I would use like real big pliers on, but they just broke. So I actually don't remember how it broke, but yeah, it's broken now. Anyway, so we'll see how this holds up, and I'm glad so far that I purchased this, and I think it's gonna look very nice on my keychain. So that's it. Thank you very much for watching, folks, and I'll see you in the next one.